Look, calculating sales commissions can feel like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded. The spreadsheets, the formulas, the endless back and forth, it's a headache. But what if there was a way to make it all just work? A way to not just survive but actually thrive when it comes to compensation? That's where Spiff comes in. It's not just a tool, it's a game changer for so many roles within a company. You might think it's only for sales, but the ripple effect of a powerful compensation platform goes far beyond that. First, let's talk about the obvious one. Sales representatives imagine getting real-time updates on your earnings. No more waiting until the end of the month to see your paycheck. With Spiff, you can see exactly how a new deal impacts your commission right away. That transparency is a huge motivator. It gives you control, helps you prioritize, and honestly, makes the sales process feel more rewarding. Next up, sales operations. If you're in this role, you're the hero behind the scenes. You're the one managing the plans, handling disputes, and making sure everyone gets paid correctly. Spiff automates so much of this. You can design complex commission plans with ease, run scenarios to see how changes will affect the budget, and drastically cut down on manual work. This frees you up to focus on strategy instead of just data entry. And what about finance? For the finance team, Spiff is about accuracy and forecasting. The platform provides a single source of truth for all commission data, eliminating errors and ensuring compliance. It gives you a clear, predictable view of compensation costs, which is invaluable for budgeting and financial planning. No more surprise payouts. No more complicated audits. Just clean, reliable data. Finally, we have leadership, your VPs of sales and CEOs. They need a high-level view of performance. Spiff provides dashboards and reports that show who the top performers are, how different teams are tracking against their goals, and the ROI of your compensation plans. This insight is crucial for making strategic decisions about your go-to-market strategy and talent management. So, while a sales rep gets the direct benefit of clear, motivating commissions, a tool like Spiff ultimately creates a more transparent, efficient, and profitable company for everyone. It's not just about paying people, it's about empowering them.